Hello my angels, welcome or welcome back to my channel guys. This is Arshkar. Let's do a pink makeup look today. To prep my dehydrated skin, I'm going to use the Aquaholic Hyaluronic Serum, which is a new launch from Sugar Cosmetics. And to start with my eye makeup, I'm going to use Maybelline concealer on my whole eyelid area to avoid any pigmentation and blend it very well. For my eyeshadow, I'm going to use this beautiful dark pink color from this Morphe palette and pack it on my whole eyelid area and blend the extra harsh lines all together with the fluffy blending brush. Now I'm blending the black color along my lash line. And next for the face, I'm using this illuminating moisturizer from Sugar Cosmetics. It has some shimmer, so it will give you a very dewy base along with the moisturization. And for priming my face, I'm going to use the Kiko Milano's matte primer. This will fill all the pores of my face and give me a smooth surface area to work with. Now I'm going to use an orange peachish concealer from MAC Cosmetics to correct my problematic areas and blend it very well. For my foundation today, I'm going to use a full coverage foundation, which is a soft base foundation from Sugar Cosmetics, blending it with a beauty blender. I know it looks little light on my skin now, but believe me, it will look better after. For highlighting and contouring purposes, I'm going to use the Pro HD concealer from LA Girl Cosmetics and blending it very well with a flat brush. Always remember, as I always say, blending is a key. If you do not blend your concealer well, it will look patchy. Now I'm going to set my contour with a powder contour using my NYX palette, which is a highlighting and contour palette. And for my blush, I'm going to use the Kiko Milano single blush in pink. And now I'm going to add some glitter. For that, I'm using the pink glitter from Makeup Studio in the shape of a wing liner, using same pink eyeshadow for my lower lash line and a lighter shade on my inner corner. Now the favorite part of mine, it's highlighting. Yes, it's my favorite part. I'm going to highlight my usual area with it's NARS Cosmetics highlighter, which comes in its Orgasm X palette. For my lips, I'm going to use the Good Moody Lip Crown from Sugar Cosmetics, which is their new launch, and I have already uploaded a video of their swatches and review on my channel. If you didn't check, तो जल्दी से जाइए और चेक कीजिए and वीडियो को जल्दी से साथ ही साथ लाइक कर दीजिए, जो आप बाद में भूल जाओगे, I know. And last but not the least, I'm using the MAC Prep and Prime to finishing up my face. Here is my final look. I hope you all like it, and guys, please don't forget to like, share and comment your views. It takes so much efforts to make this kind of videos and upload. Aapke likes and comments make me motivated, so please don't forget to do that, because now I'm going to be super duper active on my Instagram and YouTube as well, and I will try to make new and fresh content for you guys. So do let me know in the comment section below कि आपको कैसी वीडियोस चाहिए, नेक्स्ट वीडियो आपको कैसी चाहिए, क्या चाहिए related to makeup and lifestyle. So I'll be back with another video super soon. Till then, bye bye. And हाँ, मुझे Instagram पे भी फॉलो करना मत भूलना. Bye.